Welcome back, everyone. Today I just got a package from a mystery subscriber. Now I know who this person is, but they requested that I give no information about who they are. So I thank you, mysterious subscriber, dedicated viewer, and now gift giver. So let's get into this package. And I've taken the liberty of making sure that I've covered up my information, which is on this side. Oops. Let's see if I can get this open far enough to remove the package without knocking over the camera. Alright, so we've managed to get this going here. And interesting. Oh, I see how this works. Alright. Got to be smarter than the package. Okay. So, I'm not exactly sure what all these are. I believe that they're mainly opals. So let's start with the easy package. Ooh, okay. This is cool. Obviously this is some fluorite in situ on a host of some sort of delicious druzy. Oh, look at that. Wow. That is gorgeous. Aziz light. Now this is amazing. Very, very beautiful piece. Thank you. Okay, that was a bit of a surprise. Now let's get into the rest of this package. A well-wrapped bit of baggies. Ooh, numerous baggies. Wow. Now I had no clue on how much was coming through here. So that is simply amazing. Okay, that is it. Toss that aside. Well, this could be maybe obsidian. Labradorite? Labradorite. Possibly labradorite, yeah. Let's just look at that. That is some gorgeous sheen on that. Nice. Let's try a little light, Aziz. Ooh, that is just gorgeous. Very, very good. Oh, wow. Yes. All right. Now, this next piece also looks like labradorite. Unfortunately, this piece is very, very thick, and until I get a saw, I won't be able to really process this. Man, look at the blue on that. That is stunning. This will be fun to work with. Let's get a little water on this. Maybe that will help. Or not. Being kind of polished, it doesn't want to really hold that water. Oh, very cool, very cool. Now, this next bag looks like some boulder opal, which is very nice. Look at that. Ooh, lovely blue-green. That should be pretty easy to finish up into a cushion. We'll see. I might take that in, who knows? Probably not. Gotta love the blue-green on that stuff, right? Okay. This one looks like more traditional Australian opals. Where are they from? Lightning Ridge? Coober Pedy, maybe? There's a nice color bar in there. Looks like it could be dark base if I face it right. Very nice color in that one. Ooh, have a nice green color bar. Now, he said these were lower quality bits, but I think they're pretty nice, and certainly I will not deny any good pieces of opal for practice. This one could be Lambina. Definitely some color in there. I'll have to get a closer look at it to decide how I want to cut that. And these may all be Lambina though. Kind of looks like it to me, although, you know, I'm often wrong about these things. Let's get a little bit more centered. All right. Ooh, this one definitely will make something. That beautiful green, little bits of yellow. That will be a fun one to work. Wow. Let's turn the light off on that for a bit. Sometimes too much light is a bad thing. Wow. This will make a stunning little piece as well. Man. Look at all the fire in that one. Green and blue. Bits of red and yellow. And there's a lot of sand on it, but it seems to be fairly clean in that bar. This will be a dark base. Looks like a decent color bar that's kind of eaten by that big pocket in the center, but never say never. We can get something out of this. Definitely. Ooh, nice blue. Beautiful blues. Oh, wow. Blueberry. Fabulous. And the lucky last piece is big. Nice crack right there. This one has a nice thin color bar there. Hard to say how far back in that goes. Maybe not very far at all. Could just save this one as a carving freeform piece. It will be interesting, certainly, to discover exactly what lurks down in there. It's so hard to tell. This color bar could go back quite a ways, and it could end right there near that face. So, there we have it. A wonderful set of opal and some labradorite and a beautiful specimen of fluorite on the host. This delicious druzy pocket beneath of it. Thanks again, mysterious benefactor. And we'll get some closer pictures of these, and we'll wrap this up. getting a closer look at this material, I'm wondering if perhaps it's a form of sunstone, as sunstone has the same kind of sparkling plates in the material. But labradorite and sunstone are both types of feldspar. I just don't know enough about labradorite to rightfully say that this is or isn't. If you know, please leave a comment. Anyway, thanks again, mysterious benefactor, and thank you everyone for watching. Until next time.